following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. A foreign invasion has taken place in the city of Alpharetta. At approximately 7:45 Eastern Daylight Time, Chinese paratroopers have been reported to be dropping out of commercial airplanes and taking people hostage in the city of Alpharetta, Georgia. They then invaded the city. The city is feared to be in Chinese hands. NORAD has detected that another wave of the invasion is inbound. At this time, all residents in the state of Georgia should begin to evacuate away from Alpharetta. Do not try to engage with any Chinese soldiers, as you can put your life in jeopardy. If you do so, all other residents of the United States should be prepared to take shelter immediately or evacuate ad infinitum. Remember to keep all essential supplies with you. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WEGA. We will continue to serve the Atlanta area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening today to the emergency alert system serving the Atlanta area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.